This is Ludera, Wild Words. Let's try to do some fortune telling fun. Anyway, to get the cards out there. Leaf, eat. Feels like that's a vegetarian. Happy. This one's not gonna be useful. We need 5. I mean, it could be useful in a way if you think about it, because that one says search for an animal. But 4, we got wear and cry. So leaf, eat, happy, wear, cry. To be a vegetarian, right? Or whatever, yeah, vegetarian. I was thinking vegan, but let's go with vegetarian. Vegan, whatever, I don't care. But leaf eater, you'll be happy, but nowhere to find it. So that's why you're crying. Maybe it's not possible.